Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of small side tables design ideas from reclaimed wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. In the quiet corners of homes, nestled beside sofas, armchairs, or reading nooks, small wooden side tables rest with quiet dignity. These humble pieces, sometimes no larger than a stool, carry a presence far beyond their size. They're functional, decorative, and increasingly deeply symbolic. For the modern woodworker, the decision to craft small side tables from reclaimed wood is driven not only by creativity, but also by conscience, sustainability, and the promise of personal or financial return. There's something undeniably poetic about turning discarded wood, timber that once lived as beams, floorboards, or fences, into something new, useful, and beautiful. Reclaimed wood bears scars, stories, and soul. Its imperfections are not flaws, but memories etched in grain. These very characteristics inspire woodworkers to give it a second life. In a world that prizes innovation but desperately needs sustainability, the act of reclaiming and recreating becomes an expression of both art and responsibility. Side tables offer the perfect canvas for this kind of thoughtful creation. Their size makes them approachable. They don't demand large-scale plans or expensive materials. Yet within their modest frames lies the opportunity for craftsmanship and storytelling. Whether it's a minimalist design with sharp lines and clean joins or a rustic piece that preserves the rugged texture of old wood, these tables are where function meets form in the most personal way. For many woodworkers, especially those just starting their journey, side tables present an ideal entry point. They allow for experimentation in joinery, finishing, design, and aesthetic exploration without the pressure of a large furniture project. But more importantly, they offer a powerful sense of completion. In a few days, sometimes even a weekend, a woodworker can start with a pile of aging planks and end with a finished product ready to place in a home or a list for sale. This tangible, timely reward fuels confidence and ignites a deeper love for the craft. But the inspiration goes deeper still. In reclaimed wood, many artisans see a connection to the past. Perhaps it's a piece of old barn siding that once sheltered animals from harsh winters. Maybe it's a floorboard from a house that held decades of laughter and sorrow. Working with such material evokes reverence, a quiet understanding that this wood has already served a purpose and now has the chance to serve again, differently. This perspective transforms the woodworking process into a meaningful journey, from preservation to transformation. In modern interior decor, this resonance is deeply valued. Homeowners increasingly seek authenticity in their spaces. They crave warmth in a world of cold steel and glass, story in an age of mass production. A reclaimed wood side table offers all of this in one elegant form. It's not just a piece of furniture, it's a conversation starter. It carries charm, character, and a tactile sense of history that plastic or veneer could never emulate. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. For those selling their work, side tables offer a smart business opportunity. Their compact size means lower material cost, easier storage, and simpler shipping, an essential advantage in online marketplaces. The uniqueness of reclaimed wood further enhances their value. No two tables are ever exactly alike, making each piece a one-of-one collectible. This scarcity, combined with the eco-friendly narrative, resonates strongly with today's conscientious buyers. Craft fairs, boutique stores, and digital platforms like Etsy or Instagram are teeming with demand for small, handmade wood furniture that feels grounded and real. Woodworkers who craft with integrity and style often find their pieces flying off the shelves, not because of aggressive marketing, but because of genuine connection between maker, material, and customer. Then there's the aesthetic versatility. Reclaimed wood has a personality, sometimes bold and rustic, sometimes smooth and subtle. It can be shaped into Scandinavian simplicity, industrial chic, or farmhouse warmth. A side table with hairpin legs and a weather top might suit a modern loft, while one with hand-carved details and soft curves could become the centerpiece of a cozy cottage. This adaptability allows woodworkers to explore multiple styles, catering to a wide range of tastes while staying rooted in sustainable practice. The emotional fulfillment of crafting such pieces should not be underestimated. In every step, from selecting wood with character, to planing away dirt and damage, to oiling the final piece, there's a dialogue between maker and material. Reclaimed wood doesn't behave like new lumber. It requires patience, observation, and respect. It may splinter differently, resist cuts, or hide old nails. Working with it teaches humility and rewards care. In return, it offers a product that feels alive. There's also a sense of quiet rebellion in choosing to work this way. Amid a consumer culture of disposability, making something that is meant to last, to be passed down, to be admired for decades, this is an act of defiance and beauty. Woodworkers who craft with reclaimed materials aren't just building furniture. They're advocating for a world where resources are honored and where things are made to be loved, not tossed away. Over time, many find that their humble side tables evolve into something greater. They become part of homes, of stories. They hold books and coffee cups, plants and lamps, moments and memories. The wood, once forgotten or discarded, becomes central again, reclaimed not just physically, but emotionally. In this way, the inspiration behind crafting side tables from reclaimed wood becomes cyclical. A woodworker, moved by sustainability or sentiment, creates something meaningful. A buyer, drawn to beauty and story, brings it home. And in that home, the piece continues its life, quietly, steadily, with sincerity, just as the woodworker once intended. In conclusion, the craft of making small side tables from reclaimed wood stands as a beautiful metaphor for modern woodworking itself, grounded in tradition, inspired by purpose, elevated by creativity. It proves that even the smallest pieces can carry great weight, and even the simplest projects can have profound impact on a space, a soul, and a story. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked small side tables design ideas from reclaimed wood. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.